Hello, welcome back to Blender Sushi Live Noding. So we are up to here last time, and we have the monkey head, and it's a Robo Monkey from Ian's code that become a monad in Sverchok. So we can have like as many Susan head, as many Robo Monkey as we like, and we can randomize it, etc. Using the transform. But we want to do more. We want to have this Robo Monkey perhaps with an arm that's not exactly the same. Maybe the legs also kind of slightly different. So I'll show you how. I'm gonna save this real quick as Robo Monkey Vectorized. So we want to turn on Vectorize and Split. But before we do that, I want to tidy up the setup a little bit. Currently we have like this weird number for this angle of the arm and then the leg. I want to fix that real quick. I want to zero it out. So I go to edit, I go jump in, and then we can see this value here. We don't know what it is, but it's just, we need to name it properly. So this is the arm, and this is gonna be the legs. And so with the arm currently, if we unplug, we can see 130 there. What we really want is just something like this. So we need a value coming in from arms, and this already have 130. So we just plug this in, and up here we can zero this out. So now we have a zero value for the arms. We can use minus to make the arm goes up, and we can use positive to make it go down. Okay, so now we can do the same with the legs. Currently we have 180 there. We want to add it with a number. So 180, go back, zero it out. So now the legs kind of doing what it's supposed to be. Although if you go negative, it's go on that directions. If you want to kind of invert it, you can use a multiplier, just -1 here. So if we go up, minus goes, the legs goes in, positive goes out. So always like that. So now I can zero the monkey. Okay, now this is a little bit tidier. We can actually do this quite easily. If you turn on vectorize and split, this data is going to be very interesting real soon. If I create a line, for example, to duplicate our Suzanne, let's make it like 10. Okay, we have this Robo Monkey, 10 of them, they are all the same. But if we use range float up here and make it count of 10, I'll show you really quick what's gonna happen. So let's see the limit of our monkey arm. So -78 up to 34. Let's make it like this. You can kind of see the arm is slightly different now. But let's try just random number, float, size of 10, because we have 10 Suzanne. And the value will be -78 to 30. Plug into this guy. So now this is a little bit more interesting. We have 10 Suzanne, each with different arm angle. We can do the same with the leg. This one probably -10, and this one can be bigger, or something like that. So there you go. Now we have like a little bit more random Susan Robo Monkey, just by simply turning on vectorize and split, if we are doing everything correctly inside the monad, we can easily get this many Susan, each with a different pose. So at any time, if we want to increase the number, make it 50, we can also have 50 random number and 50 random angle for each of the Susan. So yeah, I guess this is kind of interesting, and I want to show this because sometimes monad can be kind of scary, but it doesn't have to be scary. Monad can be really powerful, even though it's super basics. If we go back to the very original, like how we started inside, it might be a little bit scary, but up here it's very simple and easy. But remember, we start really simple with this monkey head, like we simply just create a head, create the body, and then create the position for the arm, and then etc. It's all becoming kind of streamlined if we are doing it this way. So there you go, another take at Ian Scott Robo Monkey, and now it's totally vectorized, and you can create as many as you like. When you're happy, you can bake it, and you have this different monkey. Okay, so there you go. Hopefully you find this useful, and let me know if you have any questions, and I'll try to answer. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye.